Guys, so what's up? I'm back, lemon Powerade right here. So like, the curly fries, right? Of course, it's essential, it's vital, Yeah, it's 10 every time, solid. But today, this special unboxing. I decided to get Jack's spicy chicken sandwich. I don't know how excited I am. Like literally, I can't control myself. So hold on, guys. I need a moment. I'm sorry. Oh fuck yeah! As I'm mixing them around in my mouth right now, I can tell that there's much more than just spicy chicken. There's cheese, you get the cheese. It really, honestly tastes like there's a secret sauce on it. I'm not gonna say there is, but it definitely tastes like it. So like, it's really good. It's really good. I'm taking another bite. Okay, guys, last bite of the day. I'll definitely have another one come to the store for you soon. Check out my channel. Links in the description. Click here to subscribe. Here we go.